Compound Spadix. Examples for compound Spadix. One, it is Coccus nucifera. Coccus nucifera. One example, that is nothing but Coccus nucifera. And in this Coccus nucifera. And the second one, it is nothing but Musa paradisica. Second one, it is nothing but Musa paradisica. So here for compound Spadix, here it shows two examples. One example, it is nothing but Coccus nucifera. Another example, it is nothing but Musa paradisica. So for this Coccus nucifera, so here the Coccus nucifera, the peduncle is long elongated. Here the peduncle is long elongated. Peduncle is long elongated. The terminal bud of the peduncle does not terminates into flower. Does not terminates into flower. That means it shows indefinite growth. That means it shows indefinite growth. That why? Because the growth of the peduncle is indefinite. Why the growth of the peduncle is indefinite means the terminal bud, it does not terminates into flower. On this compound Spadix, whether it is the peduncle is branched or unbranched means here the peduncle is branched. 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 So on this branched peduncle, on this each peduncle, on this each peduncle, on this each branch of peduncle, on this each branch of peduncle, each branch of peduncle in Coccus nucifera, it shows dimorphic flowers. It shows which flowers means dimorphic flowers. Each branch of Coccus nucifera, each branch of Coccus nucifera, it shows which flowers? Dimorphic flowers. What are the dimorphic flowers means? Male unisexual flowers and female unisexual flowers. Whether these male unisexual flowers and female unisexual flowers, whether they are incomplete flowers or complete flowers means as it shows calyx, as it shows corolla, as it shows androecium, so it is nothing but an incomplete flower. As it shows calyx, as it shows corolla, as it shows gynoecium, it is also called as incomplete flower. And what is the another difference between simple Spadix and compound Spadix means in compound Spadix, in Coccus nucifera, peduncle is not fleshy. Peduncle is not fleshy. Peduncle is not fleshy. In Coccus nucifera, it shows dimorphic flowers. That means it shows male unisexual flowers and female unisexual flowers. These flowers, whether they are called as incomplete flowers, yes, they are called as incomplete flowers. Here in this peduncle is not fleshy, but when it is compared with simple Spadix colocasia, there the peduncle is fleshy, but it is not edible. That means here in this Coccus nucifera, what happens means numerous bracteate, sessile unisexual flowers, numerous bracteate sessile unisexual flowers. On this numerous bracteate sessile unisexual male and female flowers are arranged in which manner means are arranged in acropetal manner. Are arranged in which manner means are arranged in acropetal manner. What is meant by acropetal arrangement? That means older flowers are present towards base and younger flowers are present towards apex. What is meant by acropetal arrangement means older flowers are present towards base and younger flowers are present towards apex. Younger flowers are present towards apex. That is nothing but acropetal arrangement. In this what happens means the female flowers, the female unisexual flowers are present towards base. Female unisexual flowers are present towards base and female unisexual male flowers are present towards apex. That means base of the branch it shows female unisexual flowers, and apex above the female flowers it shows unisexual male flowers. Unisexual male flowers. And what happens means the complete inflorescence. What I am saying here? Complete inflorescence is covered or protected by complete inflorescence are covered or protected by one woody boat-shaped spathe. One woody boat-shaped spathe. One woody boat-shaped spathe. That means for one inflorescence, one woody boat-shaped spathe is present. And this is about the compound Spadix in Cocos nucifera. Once again I am explaining. Compound Spadix, one example, Cocos nucifera. In this peduncle is branched as it is compound, and each branch, and here the peduncle is long elongated. Terminal bud, it does not terminates into flower, so it shows indefinite growth. Each branch of the compound Spadix in Cocos nucifera, it shows dimorphic flowers where the peduncle is not fleshy, and whereas male unisexual flowers it shows calyx, corolla, androecium. That means it is nothing but incomplete flower. Female unisexual flower it shows calyx, corolla, gynoecium. It is also incomplete flower. In this dimorphic flowers, unisexual female flowers are present towards the base of the branch, and male unisexual flowers are present towards the apex of the branch. The whole inflorescence is covered or protected by one woody boat-shaped spathe. One woody boat-shaped spathe. That means in Cocos nucifera, one inflorescence is equal to one spathe. One inflorescence is equal to which one here? One spathe. But when we are moving towards Musa paradisiaca, here also the peduncle is long elongated. But when we are coming towards Musa paradisiaca, here the peduncle is long elongated. Whereas the terminal bud of the peduncle, it does not terminates into flower. So it shows indefinite growth. So it shows which growth here? Indefinite growth. So it shows indefinite growth. On whether this peduncle, whether it is branched or unbranched, means here the peduncle is branched. Here the peduncle is branched. This peduncle is, here the peduncle is branched. Here also the peduncle is branched. And each branch of the Musa paradisiaca, each branch of the peduncle belonging to Musa paradisiaca, it also shows dimorphic flowers. It also shows which flowers? Dimorphic flowers. That means it also shows male unisexual flower and female unisexual flower. Both the flowers, whether they are complete or incomplete, means incomplete flowers, where here also the peduncle is not fleshy. And what happens means towards the base of the branch, it shows which one means numerous bracteate. Base of the branch it is occupied by female unisexual flowers, and apex of the branch it is occupied by unisexual male flowers. And what is the difference between the spathe in Cocos nucifera and spathe in Musa paradisiaca? Means only one difference. What is the difference means? Each branch is covered by leathery spathe. Each branch itself it is covered with a leathery spathe. Each branch itself it is covered with a leathery spathe, and the entire inflorescence is covered by with a bright colored spathe. Entire inflorescence is covered by bright colored spathe. Bright colored spathe. And here number of spathes is equal to, in which one? In Musa paradisiaca, number of spathes is equal to, in Musa paradisiaca, number of spathes is equal to, number of branches Number of space is equal to number of branches plus 1. Why? Because each branch is covered with spathe and the entire inflorescence is covered with another spathe. So here number of space is equal to number of branches plus 1. This is about the Coccus nucifera. So we completed this compound Spadix inflorescence. Inflorescence, that is nothing but a head inflorescence. Next inflorescence, it is nothing but a head inflorescence. Now this head inflorescence, it is also called as a capitulum. It is also called as a capitulum, or it is also called as a anthodium inflorescence. Head inflorescence is also called as capitulum inflorescence, is also called as anthodium inflorescence, is also called as which inflorescence? Anthodium inflorescence. And this head inflorescence, it is one of the highly evolved racemose inflorescence. It is one of the highly evolved racemose inflorescence. It is one of the highly evolved which inflorescence? Racemose inflorescence. In this head inflorescence, what happens means, in this head inflorescence, the peduncle is condensed into disc-like structure. What happens here? The peduncle is condensed into disc-like structure. Peduncle is condensed into disc-like structure. On this condensed peduncle, numerous reduced flowers which are nothing but florets. On this disc-like peduncle, on this reduced disc-like peduncle, numerous florets are arranged. Numerous florets are arranged. On this numerous florets are arranged. On this condensed disc-like peduncle, numerous florets are arranged. What is meant by florets means, here the flowers are reduced in this highly evolved racemose inflorescence, that is nothing but head inflorescence or capitulum or anthodium. So that flowers, that reduced flowers itself, it is called as florets. So how many types of florets are present means, in this head inflorescence, 2 types of florets are present. In this head inflorescence, how many types of florets are present? 2 types of florets are present. What are the 2 types of florets? That first one it is ray florets. First one it is ray florets, and the second one it is disc florets. First one it is ray florets, and the second one it is disc florets. In this highly evolved racemose inflorescence, how many types of florets are present? It shows 2 types of florets. One it is ray florets, and it is another one it is disc florets. Examples for this head inflorescence means, of that first example, that is nothing but sunflower. Of that first one, it is nothing but sunflower. So one more thing here, on this head inflorescence, numerous florets are arranged. And another example it is also present, that is nothing but Tridax procumbens. That is nothing but which one? Tridax procumbens. How many examples for this head inflorescence? 2 examples. One example it is nothing but sunflower. Another example it is nothing but Tridax procumbens. And what happens means, numerous florets are arranged on this condensed disc-like peduncle. No? On this peripheral florets. On this which florets here? Peripheral florets. Peripheral florets are the ray florets. Peripheral florets are the called as which florets? Ray florets. Peripheral florets are also called as ray florets. Here also have to draw ray florets. Here also have drawing ray florets. Now see here, ray florets, whether they are unisexual florets or bisexual florets means, this ray florets itself, it is called as unisexual florets. This ray florets itself, it is called as which florets means unisexual florets. Whether they are called as unisexual female florets? Yes. Why? Because as it shows only stigma, so it is also called as unisexual female florets. Unisexual female florets. This unisexual female florets, whether it is complete or incomplete flower, means this is nothing but incomplete flower. This is nothing but which flower? Incomplete flower. That means ray florets are also called as unisexual florets, which are also called as unisexual female florets. Whether they are arranged peripherally? Yes, they are arranged in peripherally, or they may be arranged in marginal manner. They may be marginal or they may be periphery. These are unisexual female florets, whether they are called as complete florets or incomplete florets, means they are nothing but incomplete florets. And what happens another means, another floret, it is nothing but disc florets. Disc florets, they are called as bisexual florets. Disc florets, they are called as bisexual florets. Disc florets, they are also called as which florets? Bisexual florets. These bisexual florets, they are arranged centrally. These bisexual florets called as disc florets, they are arranged in which manner? They are arranged in centrally. That means they are present in the center of the flower. Center of the flower. So here these are the disc florets. These are called as which florets? Disc florets, which are arranged in central manner, which are arranged centrally, which are placed centrally, which are arranged placed centrally, or which are arranged in central manner. Now see here, this type of arrangement, whether it is centripetal or centrifugal arrangement, this type of arrangement of florets itself, it is called as centrifugal arrangement. This type of arrangement itself, it is called as which arrangement? Centrifugal arrangement. Why it is called as centrifugal arrangement? Centrifugal arrangement means older florets are present towards periphery, and younger florets are present towards center. Older florets are present towards periphery and younger florets are present towards center. That's why it is called as centrifugal arrangement. That's why itself it is called as which arrangement? Centrifugal arrangement. And what happens here, one more thing means, all these florets are covered or protected by involucre of bracts. All these florets are covered or protected by, which means all these florets are covered or protected by whorl of bracts, called as involucre of bracts, That means these disc florets and ray florets are covered or protected by whorl of bracts called as involucre of bracts. Can you tell me, involucre of bracts can be seen in which type of inflorescence? Of that one inflorescence, that is nothing but involucre of bracts. Involucre of bracts present in one, that is nothing but umbel type, and the second one, it is nothing but head inflorescence. Second one, it is nothing but which inflorescence here? Head inflorescence. Involucre of bracts are present in umbel type and as well as head inflorescence. Now this head inflorescence, it looks like single flower. Head inflorescence, it looks like single flower. Head inflorescence, it looks like which flower? Single flower. And it is one of the outmost important point. And this is about head inflorescence. This is about which inflorescence? Means head inflorescence.